Hello wonderful people, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, we're making this yummy looking delicious okra. All lovers of okra gather here. So I've introduced beef into the pot, stockfish and dry fish. Yes, so the next ingredients is crayfish, fresh pepper and onion. I blended the three together. If you're a lover of okra, please watch to the end, okay? So seasoning will follow suit. And then salt will follow. I will then cover and allow it to steam. Come back to check on it to see if the meat and stockfish is soft enough. Yeah, before adding the next ingredients, you must make sure the meat and stockfish is soft and good to go, okay? And as you can see, I've checked mine, it is good to go. The next ingredients will follow suit, and which is okra. You see the way I cut the okra? Yes. And then palm oil, and the next one is uziza leaf. Yes, this is very nutritious and it has this unique flavor. Yeah, try this for your okra and you thank me later. The next ingredients is ugu leaf. This soup, honestly, this is one of the easiest soup and very nutritious. Honestly, it doesn't take time. Once your meat and stockfish is okay, your soup is good to go. I will then cover, come back after 3 minutes. Yes, 3 minutes, and start stirring. At this point, this soup is good to go. Let me tell you, it is good to go. Off your light and just stir, and it is good to go because you don't have to overcook it because of its nutritious benefits. You don't have to overcook vegetable, okay? So let me seize this opportunity to thank all my returning subscribers, and if you are seeing this video to this moment, please do subscribe, okay? I will make I bring this soup to your doorstep. Don't worry, I'm coming over, okay? Please do subscribe. Follow me on my Facebook page at Christami, and if you are on YouTube, subscribe to my YouTube channel at The Bells Mom. Please follow this page, subscribe, like, comment and share. Please, if you have not subscribed, what do you want make I bring for you? You see this soup? I beg, take this one. It's for all my returning subscribers, and this one is to say thank you and please do subscribe. Love you.